On May 13th, the first batch of Hemway equipment was installed and commissioned. On May 23rd, the second batch of equipment was installed and commissioned. All 109 units were delivered and put into use.
On August 10th, 3 months after Hemway equipment was put into use at Zhongchen Apparel, we conducted a follow-up.
Now we are at Guangzhou Zhongchen Apparel. The second batch of Hemway equipment has been in use for a few months. Today we are here for a follow-up on the equipment usage. Let's go. Hi, Mr. Xiao. Oh, hi. Hi. We are here today to learn about the usage of Hemway equipment.
Welcome. We have been using it for almost a few months now. Let me take you to the workshop to understand some of our situations. Currently, we are collaborating with your company on 109 units of equipment. So among them, there are approximately 84 small ironing units that are distributed across our entire production line. Then there are 16 major hot dishes. On our 5th floor, near the cutting table, some work involves pressing and ironing. Additionally, we currently have 2 units stored in the warehouse that are designated for the shrinking process. So in total, there are about 109 units.
After using it for so long, has the energy-saving aspect met your expectations?
We have calculated it. Based on my experience, I believe that we can roughly save approximately 50% of the cost, especially when comparing electricity costs to when we used natural gas before. For the entire workshop, I have calculated that it's about 50%. If we include the boiler that is used in our warehouse, it seems to be approximately around 40 to 50. This number may need further verification, but overall it has met our expected energy-saving results.
After replacing the boiler, has there been any change in our overall efficiency?
Actually, the first thing to note is that this boiler responds much faster compared to how it performed before. Traditional boilers used to take a long time to generate both heat and steam. That's the first point. The second point is that this one is more flexible. Why? In the past, if we encountered bottlenecks in certain processes, the entire group had to work overtime. If a group works overtime and possibly runs the boiler, the cost waste could be quite high. Now we can have individual processes or workstations work overtime, or just one group work overtime. Therefore, to some extent, it is possible to enhance production capacity. This can be somewhat helpful.
Like Zhongchen, many apparel companies face significant cost wastage due to traditional equipment. The key point is that this money could be used to expand the business instead of being wasted. Hemway is constantly working to help companies reduce costs and increase efficiency. Hemway, professional manufacturer of energy-saving ironing equipment. Lead, not follow.